Introducing Feeler VMX-760, your reliable partner for precision machining. The compact design optimizes space requirements and reduces costs, delivering outstanding value. Feeler VMX-760 is known for its durability and delivers consistently reliable performance. Users praise its long-lasting quality and low maintenance requirements. With high-speed rapid traverse rates of 48, and 32 meters per minute on the X, Y, and Z axes and a 12,000 RPM DDS spindle, the machine drastically reduces cycle times and increases productivity. 890 by 420 millimeters table supports up to 300 kilograms and enables versatile workpiece sizes and multi-part setups to optimize setup time and efficiency. Optional 4/5 axis rotary table increase versatility for complex multi-axis machining. The Feeler VMX-760, a powerhouse of performance, efficiency, and value, designed to increase your machining potential. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us.